Hey everyone, good morning. My morning usually start in my noon, so it's 2:28 p.m. here. I'm starting my work. I will work for 2 hours and then I will go to cricket and then I will come back and start my work again. So I will check into my profile and hope so there should be an invite for the job post. So yeah, it is about N10 automation engineer. I work on Zapier, make N10. So client reviews is good, 4.8 out of 96 reviews. That is good. He's spending a lot of money, and he's asking like, are you available? Are you looking for work at the moment? Yeah, sure. It is a Oli based project. So it is saying we are looking for an experienced N10 automation engineer to help build and maintain operation workflows. Okay, include APIs and Google Sheet, Webhook. Okay, CRM. Okay. We may work with systems such as GoHill, Stripe, Google Sheet, Twilio, Webhook. Okay. Yeah, I'm good in all. So yeah, this proposal is job post is created with the help of OpenAI on AI tool. So yeah, I'll also use OpenAI to create a proposal for me. So give me a second. I will open ChatGPT. It is a pro account of ChatGPT of my friend's accounts I'm using in another Chrome. Write a proposal for this job invite. And here is the job post. I will paste it a little slow or more slow, but yeah, I will get my proposal. That's all I need from this Chrome or from GPT. So it is processing now. Yeah, it is writing the job post. So I need to review the job post again. He's saying please include the word workflow at the start of your proposal. So I need to double check like if it is the workflow in the first line. And client viewed your profile and would like to submit a proposal. That's good. So in my first line there is no, oh yeah, we have workflow. So GPT is good sometime, but I like cloud more nowadays because it is helping me on live workflows and things like that. Okay, let's apply for this. And yeah, $20 per hour, and it should be never. You can change it, but yeah, in my case I'll say it is never. And my name is SHOAIB. So all good. This one more than 25, but yeah, let me change it to 250. I did work on more than 500 projects collectively on Make, Zapier, and N10. But yeah, let me submit this. So happy good morning. At the start of apply, let's see if there is a reply from client and we can meet. I'll record the meeting for you. I'll put that as a learning experience for you, so you can accept the invites on Upwork and apply for job posts. So yeah, see you in the next video. Thank you.